Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, guys. You never know what you're going to see on this channel. Pickling eggs. I'm going to get you right in there and take a look. You see, there's banana peppers in there. I'll tell you what's in there. I'm pickling 100 eggs today, and I'm putting them in this 2.5 gallon size plastic container, and I got that juice in there. Now, here's eggshells. And this is our boiling process here. We got this crock pot and we're boiling them up. We got a whole bunch boiling. Oop, I just steamed up the lens. How do I get the steam off of the lens? I think the lens is drying out now. Okay, we got them boiling in the crock pot. When they come to a boil, we turn them off. And then we peel. This is a peeling operation right here. This is a peeling table, peeling operation. And what this mixture it consists of here with the eggs is a bottle of wine. Okay, let me see. I got the bottle here. I'll show you what kind of wine it is. It's Carlo Rossi California Red. Oh, let me get that out of the sun so you can see it a little bit. The Carlo Rossi California Red, and you can see I used up most. This is a big bottle. I used up most of the wine. And I'll tell you what makes it good, guys, a secret. This is my secret ingredient right here. Let me hold it over so you guys can see it. This is my secret ingredient right here. This is white granulated cane sugar. Now, you know, sugar is a preservative, guys. Sugar is a preservative. And you put salt in. You put about a handful of salt. Oh, that would be about, I don't know, several tablespoons of salt. You put the banana peppers in. A little bit of banana pepper juice, you know. You put in the wine. And then second main ingredient is this stuff right here. This is apple cider vinegar. Okay, so that's a preservative too, and you gotta have half water, like 1 part water, 1 part apple cider vinegar, a whole big bag of sugar. You put in pickling spices, you put in banana peppers, and you put in a bottle of wine into it, right? And then you start dropping your hard-boiled eggs in there, see? And I'll tell you what, after about a week, I'll tell you what makes them good is the sugar. Really, honestly, that's what really gives them the taste, you know. I tried a few recipes, and I didn't add any sugar, and the eggs didn't taste so good. I added the sugar, and oh, they were so good. You know, a little bit sweet, you know. It's just, that's the thing people miss in making pickled eggs, you know, is they miss the sugar. I'll tell you, I'm pickling these eggs up today because, you know, I'm telling you there might be food shortages coming. And you need something that's going to last a long time, and these eggs will last 5 years, 10 years. They'll just get old and hard, but you can still eat them. They'll be like shoe leather after 10 years, but they're really good, you know, for first 6 months. So I got these pickled eggs on. And anyway, this virus, you know, I got to clean up all these eggshells this afternoon, you know, once I get this project finished. A whole bunch of eggshells. Listen, you guys never know what you're going to see on this channel. I'm going to do an unboxing, maybe today or tomorrow or the next day, of my wheels for my homeless project, you know. Anyway, listen. You guys have a great day. Here I am. You guys have a great day, and make yourself some pickled eggs. And put them away someplace cool and dry, you know, and make a big 5-gallon pail of them. They're not real expensive, and they'll last you through the crisis, you know. You'll always eat them, and man, they go good with almost everything. Great for cooking, you know. Slice a few pickled eggs up into whatever you're cooking, whatever dish it is you're cooking, and it's cheap protein, and it's really good for you. I'm telling you. Do you know what's in an egg can make a whole chick? You know? the nutrients and stuff that's in eggs. Eggs are wonderful food. People underestimate how good eggs are. We'll catch you guys in the next show. Bye-bye.